Hello guys and welcome to my channel. And well, let's look at silver and gold. Let me make a quick video update on silver and gold. This is gold. Let's look at the gold chart. Well, it's still bearish. The gold is still bearish. The double bottom W pattern hasn't played out. In fact, it seems that it's going to be destroyed, this structure. So, well, we need to get above this falling trend line here in order to uh, see that gold is bullish again. So I actually um, stepped out of my big long position. I'm still long in gold, but these are smaller positions. And in fact, this is a bearish pattern, this falling triangle. It may break down, and if we do break down, then we might fall. I'm not measuring this right now. We could measure that, but what might happen also that we break down and come back again and then shoot up. So what I'm waiting for is for this trend line on the 4-hour chart, this trend line, that it will break above. Then I will re-enter my long position gold. Let's look at the daily chart. This is the daily chart, and let's see what is happening here on the daily chart. Yeah, well, yeah, we see a falling trend line here, and we see this support here. Let's hope this support is not broken, and it will keep gold from falling further. But if it gets broken, we may fall down. Okay, weekly chart. Weekly chart. So let's look at the weekly chart on gold. So this is the gold weekly chart. Yeah, on the weekly it's still bearish. We see gold in a bearish trend, and we may have this huge double bottom or W pattern. We will see how it plays out. On the weekly, I can still see that gold will sooner or later break up. Let's look at the silver chart. Let me find the chart on silver. Okay, here we go. This is the silver chart. Yeah, this is the weekly on silver. We are still in this downtrend. We need to break above, get above 24 to say that we are back into bullish territory. Let's look at the daily chart on silver. Okay, so this is the daily chart on silver, and let me see. It can still be a W pattern here, a V pattern, a double bottom pattern. Let's see how it plays out. We may come back up and then go all the way up. Here's a falling trend line. We need to get above this falling trend line also. So here it is. Yeah, here it is. Now let me, oops, good. So yeah, there it is, sort of, yeah, here, about here. So this is a falling trend line. We need to get above this falling trend line on the daily on silver. 4-hour chart. Let's look at this 4-hour chart here and see what's happening here. Yeah, we can still see this double bottom structure, but we haven't broken above, haven't broken up yet. Let's wait and see what happens here. We may still go up and validate this structure, and then our price target will be 24, and we may come back to this level of resistance here. This is a huge resistance level, and yeah, and last time I shared we do something on Nikkei, the Japanese index. Let's look at Nikkei. Here's Nikkei. We can still see this W pattern, but we are still playing around the neckline, and yeah, I don't like it anymore. So I'm not longing the Japanese index anymore. It can still be valid, but let me show you one more thing. Here, this could also be an M pattern double bottom, but it suggests just a small fall. Let me measure it from the top to the bottom. That's it. And then let's put it down here. So yeah, 29,660 ish level. So we may fall to that level. We will see how this plays out, but I'm not in Nikkei anymore. Good, so that's all for today. When I see something, I will upload it. Okay, see you next time.